Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is alright. Hope everyone recovered a bit from the stress, from the agony which we went through in the last couple of days, and I hope that everyone's bag of hopes are full. Now, I have to talk about a couple of things today, so we will go through the market very quickly because we have big news. From Elrond, I'm gonna show you which coins I have or what coins I bought in pre-sale, and I also have some news on Next Earth token sale. So without further ado, let's start. But before I just switch my screens, I would like to ask you to hit the subscribe button because that's how you support the channel, that's how you help me growing, and that is very important for me. So if you didn't do it until now, do it now, and let's start. So we are at the Bitcoin price chart, and I'm thinking of two things. One is that this could be a simple correction for the downtrend. Now I want to make sure that everyone is aware that we are not out of this downtrend just yet. We have a lot of gain ahead of us before we can say that we are out of this downward trend, and that will be around 42,000. So until we reach that, this can easily be a bull trap or just a simple correction for the downtrend, same as it was here from the 47 to the 52. So don't get too excited, don't call the bottom, because this might not be the bottom, but this is obviously a good sign, and the good sign that people are getting some courage to buy in is obviously always good. Now I'm not gonna say that we are go up from here. Usually we don't. Usually we do a retest, but if Bitcoin does this one, and I'm just gonna get my brush, something like this, and attacks this resistance line, that could mean very much that this was the bottom. Right now we don't have any confirmation. This can be a bull trap, so yeah, act with caution. In the meantime, Ethereum is still at the 2500s, and it touched my support zone and came right back. That is something to be happy about. I'm eagerly watching what is happening, what we are gonna have to trade in the future. But as I could see, many people are longing right now Ethereum, so I wouldn't be surprised if we would see something like this just to liquidate the longs, because usually that is the market's reaction for an over leveraged asset. Elrond went back up to the 148, and I don't want to humor anyone here, but this is what I am expecting from Bitcoin as well. That is a small W, that is a double bottom, which is usually a good sign, but we had one here, we had one here, so it's not 100% certain. Obviously, Elrond being an altcoin, it depends very much on Bitcoin and on the overall market, so only based on this, we cannot say that Elrond found its bottom. What we can say is that it touched this very, very big support line, this very big trend line, which is coming all the way down from the $8. And if this holds the price, then I am sure that we will go back to the all-time high and even further, now that we have some news, some big news, and I hope that this will bump the price and everyone will be a bit happier. So what are the news I'm talking about? Benjamin tweeted that they are opening the floodgates. They are opening the gates to Maiar exchange. Projects which are already doing some pre-sale will be able to list their tokens on the Maiar exchange, and we will see some volatility. I don't know if this is going to be the same as it was for Holoride, because that was the first one, but we can be sure that some of the projects will come and be listed on the Maiar Dex. Now I know that many of you are already bought into the Kilowatt. In Isengard, I also have these two tokens, and you are asking me when they are going to be listed. This doesn't mean that from the 31st of January or the 1st of February, these projects, I think these are the bigger ones, will be also listed. Kilowatt, for example, said that they are going to be listed on Maiar Dex in the third quarter of 2022. Therefore, we might need to wait a bit more, but from now on, any project which wants to be listed on the Maiar Dex, they are free to do so. Now here I want to make a very, very big warning sign, okay? Something like this. Beware, okay? Warning sign. When this type of things happen, usually scammers will also come. Now, the number of projects, the amount of projects is not that big that they cannot verify them, but I don't know how long they can do that, how long they will be able to verify all the projects which are going to be listed on Maiar Exchange. Hopefully they will be able, but they also want to grow, meaning that they want to become something like Uniswap, and that means that some scam projects can appear as well. What that means for you, it means that you have to do your own research. You have to check them on Twitter, you have to check them on Telegram, you have to check the team if they are on LinkedIn, for example, if they show you some credibility. That is very important, because I just had an email exchange with one of you, I'm not gonna say the name, and I just pointed out that the website seems a bit beginnerish, and I don't really like that they didn't put in the work which I expect them to do. Therefore, I wouldn't invest in them. And he said that yes, when he wanted to buy some tokens, well, it was buggy, it didn't go through, so on, so on. Now, I'm not saying that they are scammers, obviously. It just these are the signs which show you that maybe this project is not really planning for a long time. They want to make some quick money, and after that the project will just die out. Now, you don't want to invest in a project which is set to die out from the start, because yeah, that will be a minus for those who have Hopium, and maybe you will share this coin to others, to your friends as well, and everyone is losing their money. So do your own research, make sure that the project is legit, make sure that the team is working behind the scenes. So what are the projects which will be listed in the future, where you can find them? If you go to Elrond wiki and you go others and built on Elrond, when you click on it, I mean, I already had it open, but yeah, if you click on it, you will see a lot of projects, and these projects are coming. I think a couple of weeks ago we only had 1 or 2 pages. Now we have 4 pages, and everyone is building on Elrond, meaning that those who will have tokens and they want to list, they will be listed on Maiar Exchange. Most of these are NFTs and play to earn. Now, I don't suggest to jump in all the play to earn games, but some of them are good. Some of them, from my perspective, have future. For example, Kings of Catena, they seem quite good, and I made a video about them. You can find it somewhere there. So yeah, if you didn't see it, go and check it and make your own research, obviously, because it's very, very important. So what can we expect from all this Elrond wise? Well, if these projects will, let's say, function properly and they are going to grow, that will also pull Elrond. I don't want to say pull Elrond, I want to say that they are going to grow. They help each other to grow, and this will be very important for the Elrond community as well. Now, I didn't see any pre-sale on Elrond outside and HoloRide, but I am 100% sure that if a project with HoloRide's caliber is coming, there will be something, some lottery or something similar before, and I am 100% sure that the staked Elrond and the locked max will be very important. Benny said it many times, and please make sure that if you have locked max, if you have Elrond staked, be careful how much you unstake, because in the future, that staked Elrond or that locked max could be your ticket for another 100x project. Now, the question in everybody right now, I think, is that will something similar happen as it happened at HoloRide with the bots on the Maiar Exchange? The answer is I don't know. We had a live 1 or 2 weeks ago where I told you what is my opinion and what I'm looking out. But in the meantime, I confirmed something which I was suspecting. Many of you know. It's a small secret which I am willing to share with you, but I'm not gonna share it right now. I'm gonna share it on Sunday on the live stream, because I want as many of you as possible to come to that live stream. Now, a bit sneak peek into this secret is that I tried to participate in QWatt's pre-sale twice. Only on the second one, I successfully acquired some QWatt tokens, and it was sold out in 10-20 seconds. Now, the difference was between the two pre-sale is the secret, what I did differently, and maybe that will save some headache for you in the next launch, and maybe that will be the solution to, I don't know, play out the bots. I mean, the bots only created the pump, but what really got you is the slippage and the slowness of the shard. So join me on the stream on Sunday and I will tell you what is my secret, and we will see. Maybe you will profit from it. Next one, Next Earth. They are launching their token and they decided to do it on their own launchpad. That is the NXTT token, and there are 5 tiers to which, yeah, some people will be eligible for tier 1, others for tier 4 and 5. Now, as I said many times, I am only playing here. I bought some ties with change money what remained on my MetaMask, but it turned out that I'm eligible for tier 4 and tier 5. Therefore, I made a commitment with 167 Matics, and I am, yeah, I'm waiting for them to confirm that yes, can I get NXT tokens or not. I don't know how successful this project will be. It's not that I see anything which is bad, it's just if I want to invest in this project, I will buy land, not the token itself. Therefore, I am okay with this investment. Also, I don't know when they will appear on other exchanges and such, and therefore this might be a longer investment, a longer than I want to, and I think I'm happy with the 167 Matic. Now, if you want to do this and if you are eligible, meaning you spent at least $100 before the 14th of December on Earth, you have to do your KIC. I think you can still do your KIC, or at least you had to start your KIC, and you have to commit, meaning that you put in your MetaMask, I don't know how much Matic you want to commit with, and you have to wait until you can claim. Here is a trick. The token is not based on the Matic's price. The tokens is from, I don't know, 0.5 cents USD. I'm gonna buy with 1.25 USD. Meaning, if your Matic price goes up, you will get more tokens. Why this is important? It is important because you have 30 days to claim your tokens. 30 days. Meaning that you can watch and you can follow the Matic's price, and when you see it fit, when you see that the Matic's price went up maybe, if you claim the tokens, then you will get more. So this is my tip for you. This is what I'm gonna do. From the 27th of January, I will be very vigilant with Matic's price, and as soon as it goes up, as soon as it jumps, that's when I will click the claim button. So I hope it was clear, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to imply here. This is all I want to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the channel, if you like the content, if you want more content, press the like button, because yeah, you help me a lot with it, and it is a confirmation that you like what I do and you need it, and I also need it for the confirmation. I hope it's clear. Take care.